Didn't expect that, did you? Take you for a run. Anyway, I'm going to put you there. Hang on, I'll put you let's over so you can see. Where am I at? I'm up at yard. Think about. Got to turn this round a bit. That's it. How's that? So I'm up at yard. I bloody love this machine. I do, honestly, seriously. Go anywhere, this thing. Seriously, anywhere. Turn round here. I can spend all day messing about, moving stuff and picking stuff up. Off we go. I'm going back home now. Back to the cottage to get a cup of tea. It's about 3:30, I think. Maybe just turn. So I'm Michael Fogg, I'm an independent undertaker and I'm based in Sheffield. But I play, and that's all I do, I play at farming up in North Yorkshire. Look at that for a view. Look at that, seriously. Got a dog walker, so I'm going to be a bit careful. I'll put you there, so you can have a look. Be careful with this dog walker because he's got a tendency to step out at times and dogs run into the road, obviously. So always be careful. So I've got about 15 minutes before I get in the house and see company and she'll say, what have you been doing? Oh, I've just been out moving rubbish. I'm going out to put some shit on the field, hopefully tomorrow. I got tractor mended, by the way. It were an eating pipe that had split. I don't know if you watched my other blog, there were a problem with. This is a case tractor, and I love her. I absolutely love her. I call her her, but it's a man. It's one of them what I don't recognise as a woman, you know what I mean? Or I don't recognise as a man. It's not bad, is it, going out on tractor? I'll put it this way and then you can see in front of it again. Put you there, shall I? How's that? They're noisy things, aren't they? But see, you can see everywhere. You don't have to like, oh, look in all edges and stuff like that. You can just see all of them. I prefer driving this than hers. Sounds mad that, doesn't it? Because most people would like to be in reverse, not in back, obviously. So I thought, well, I'll take them out with me today. It's been an early start this morning. I started at 6:30. These lanes are terribly small, aren't they? So if you get a car coming other way, Wanderers has got to go back. And it depends how go back, if there's a lay-by that I've just passed like this one here. This takes us down to Orchard on the left. So, anyway. I'm going to call and see one of my mates first, before I go back. tell him that I've mended tractor, because I rang him and says, I need an hand. I've got water all coming from inside a pipe. So, it has indicators on this thing. The other ones don't have indicators on. Shell don't like being in tractor. There's a seat that we can put in for her, but she's not into it. She don't like it. She says they're too noisy. So I hope you've enjoyed going out for a run out with me. I'm not really good at driving it, actually, I will admit. I'm a bit of a nightmare. But I love it. Spend all day on this thing. I just look for something to do with tractors. I don't know what the obsession is, I honestly don't. Another walker here today, coming down. Walkers all over the place. So I can get to the farmhouse there if I go down that way, but I don't go there. Fields are too wet at the minute. Right, I'm going. I'll catch you all later when I put this on. Have a lovely day, everybody. Thanks for liking, thanks for leaving me a comment, and thanks for subscribing. Look after yourselves.